Hello to the showcase. So I promised Flix that I would update to Enhanced Edition 2.4, and yeah, so my current version is 2.2. Let me see. Yeah, my current version is 2.2, and now we're trying to update. And I'm trying to make this a showcase. So, for instance, we're sitting here and like, okay, so I really would like to update from 2.2 to 2.4. But then I have all these cool additions, and if I would not have the Modmerge system, I would have to make all of these changes per hand. I would have to go into the quest folder and then copy over all the data for the boss farms and the same for the mob farms. I would have to copy over all the data. And then there are all these little things that I would like to have. I diversified the movement speed, and I would also like to have those in my game. I decreased the minimum speed to 300, so like 30%, and the maximum speed to 450%. And then I have all these little run speed changes. You can see it better here. Well, basically what I did is rats, spiders, wolves, and giant bats increased the run speed. And I would have to do all of them per hand. So if you check how many there are, we have 49 entries here. I would have to find every number of every type and then change the run speed to what I wanted to have every time I upgrade the game. And I don't want to do that, so this is why I made the Modmerge system. And then I also have my own little changes. I swapped out the music. I have I changed life leech percentages to like 10% of its former value, and regeneration per hit. I also changed those values. Then I also changed up the hireling distance behavior with hireling brave X, I think. And all of these changes I would have to make per hand. So now we have a 2.2 system, and how do we upgrade? Well, so first of all, we have the community patch, so we don't need that because we already have it. So then the second thing, we don't need it either. We also don't need to install the textures from Demetrius. They are very good textures, but we already installed them, so we don't need them either. Then we don't need the 2.2 version, and those things we actually might need. And then we would like to have everything else. The Flix Music mod you also don't need because I've already installed it, so for upgrading you don't need it. And then you're basically left with what you want to have. Then the 2.4 requires 2.3 base. So this means for 2.3 we would need to take enhanced spells, make it our base, and then yeah, then we apply 2.4 enhanced spells on top of it, and then super spawn, then challenge mod. Just gotta give them the right numbers. Somebody could make an interface for that, yeah, because And there you have it. These are all the mods that I would like to apply on top. So first we upgrade from 2.2 to 2.3, and then we apply. Can you please stop with that? And then we apply the 2.4 enhanced spells. Then super spawn challenge mod. When we disable the splash, we make a readable console. We add boss farms. We add mob farms. We add diverse movement speed, and then we add my own changes on top of it. And the way that it works is pretty simple. Just go to the mod launcher, and then we gotta where our folder is. It's here. And the other thing is I think that's correct. Yeah, that's right. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, this also looks correct. Okay, Whiteman's Isle. Oh no, oh no, I forgot something. I'm so stupid. Oh god, I'm so stupid. So, because we don't want to mod merge, then we specify override. And we also specify override here and override here. And the rest has a Modmerge system compatible format, but all the other things just override them and you're done with it. And let's run the thing again. The launcher remembers my last settings, and it's yeah, that's a little bit faster. That's a little bit faster. Yeah. So as you can see, this was like pretty fast. 8 seconds in total. So what do we have here? Successfully, everything merged successfully, right? And that's basically how I can upgrade. And when I one day like upgrade to the next version of Enhanced Edition, then I just go like, okay, well, this is the next version. And then I can just run the process again. And just so you can see that you can also pretty easily convert things into the Modmerge system. Here you have the 2.2 challenge mod, the balance. Then we take everything from here and what was that? 2 points. What was that? 2.2. Okay, so alright, yeah, so this is a 2.2 version. And the base thingy is here, I believe. Yeah. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. Okay, so basically what we did here was this is just the difference between the challenge mod and the normal mod. So let's take a look. So critical damage factor is adjusted. T energy damage. T energy damage. So we need So next change is range aggro. Yeah, 1000 and then range aggro gray. Range clear. Respawn time. Potion, heal, cooldown. Potion, 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 where are you? There we go. Next change, this is all the changes for this. So as you can see, the challenge mod really boils down to just a few lines of code. Normal rune, champ rune, boss rune. And nothing else. Quest XP, quest low. What do we have? XP, gold, gold max. Speed factor any. Enemy armor till multiplayer intensity. I deleted one too much. And nothing. Enemy armor, spell damage. Alright. And that was it, rest can be deleted. So, as you can see, the whole challenge mod can be concentrated on these few lines. You change critical damage factor, you change T energy damage, you change the range of the aggro, and then you can distribute this file like this to other people who can then have their game changed in exactly that way without having to have any sort of like base version of anything. So that's the point of the system. So let's look at it again. Okay, it's changed. Now we can change the override. Yeah, of course, because it's still. Alright, and then we could run it again, and it would have exactly the same outcome. Mod launcher, everything set. So how long did this take? Well, 7 seconds. It's not really everything merged successfully. Okay, and this is the showcase for the Modmerge system, upgrading from the enhanced edition 2.2 to 2.4. These are the test files which require 2.3 base. And yeah, I will see how the game goes, and I'm going to see you next time.